So after the our team section, we will create the check-in time. So write the check-in time command, then we create a div and give it a class is equal to row. Let me add some space. Then after that we will create a div and give it a class is equal to main1 call dash lg dash 5 margin bottom 5. Then we have the h1 tag and check-in time and give it a class main h font width bold and padding bottom dash 3. So let me refresh this. Then after the h1 tag we will create another row. So this is inside the 5 column div, right? So give it a class is equal to row margin bottom dash 3 padding top dash 3. This is div and let's create div and give it a class 12 column div. So this is the 12 column div, and inside this we will create another class equal to row. So inside the 12 column div we will create another row, and inside this we have a column first for the icon. So give it a class equal to call dash 2, and this is the font to some icon. Give it a class is equal to FAS, FA dash cloak, FA dash 3x, and text dash success. So it will give you the green color. So it will end here for 2 column. Now we need to create another column for the text. So grid column and create a div and give it a class is equal to call dash xl dash 9, call dash md dash 10. Then after this, inside this we have a h3 tag and give it a class font width bold, margin bottom 3, logo color from 8 to 10 am text. Then we have a paragraph, some dummy text. So this column end here and this row end here. So and this is 12 column div. So after this 12 column div we will create another 12 column div similarly the above for the above. So this end here and this inside the row, right? So let me add some space and create another row div and give it a class equal to row margin bottom 3. Then we have column for the icon, then for the text. So first column is for the icon and give class equal to call dash 2 and give it we have a font to some icon FAB, FA dash C and TOS and FA dash 4x text dash success. Then after this is the first column and this is the second column for the heading and paragraph. Create a div and give it a class equal to call dash xl dash 9, call dash md dash 10, and inside this we have a h3 tag and give it a class font width bold, margin bottom 3, logo color, favorite twice, text is. Then we have the dummy text. So this column and here and this row and here and these two 12 column div and it is then we have so this row and here. Let me check then we will create an other row. So let's create the row div. So this row and here so let's add some space here and give it a class is equal to row and grid column, create a div and give it a class is equal to call dash md dash 12. For the buttons we need to add buttons here. So this is our first button btn dash md btn dash primary margin right 4 and id is equal to hov href hashtag content and the text is view more. So after this similarly we need to add the second button, give it a class btn dash md btn dash primary dash outline, id is equal to book now. Then we have the href hashtag contact and book now. So this the 12 column div and this is inside the row. This is for second row and this is first row. then we have a heading, and this is inside the 5-column div, right? Then we need to create a 7-column div for the image. So create a div and give it a class is equal to col-lg-7. Then we have col-md-6. Inside this we have image source either slash image slash white dog png. So let's add the class so it will look good. Create a class equal to image dash float, and let's write L equal to sampling. So our check-in time section is also done now, and I think 70 to 85% website is completed, only 30% left.